Hi there, boys and girls. Today for story time, we're going to read What's That Noise? It's written by Mary Roenfeld and illustrated by Robert Roenfeld. What's that noise? It was very late, very dark, and very quiet. When George heard a funny noise, he carefully closed his book and listened. He put on his coat and slippers and tiptoed across the floor, listening carefully all the time. He couldn't imagine what would make such a funny noise. George shone his flashlight on the green leaves. Bellow. He walked to the end of the path. Yes. And he opened the gate. Squawk! He looked. Cough, cough. And he looked. Growl. Shriek. And looked. Screech. Belch. Snuffle. Bray. But he could not see anything. What would make such a funny noise? What do you think it might be? He turned off the flashlight and went back to bed. In the morning, George was very tired. He could barely keep his eyes open. All day long, George wondered what had made the funny noise last night. Do you see where George works? At the zoo? The rest of the zoo knew. Do you? Meow. The end. What's that noise? I hope you enjoyed our story today. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.